Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra makes an appearance on official Samsung support page. Highlights: the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra has been spotted on the company's official website. The render image shows the tablet will have a notch to house the selfie snapper. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 specs could include Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, 11200 mAh battery, and S Pen support. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 series has been in the works for quite some time, and thanks to various leaks in recent times, we already have an idea of what's coming. The lineup is expected to include 3 models: Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. The latter's renders were exclusively shared by 91 Mobiles back in October, and the images showed the tablet will have a notch for the selfie snapper. Now, while we wait for the announcement, the regular Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra's possible press render has been spotted on the official Samsung website. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra spotted on the official website. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra has been spotted on the company's official website under the Bixby support page that explains the "Talk to Bixby using voice to wake up" on the Galaxy devices. The render of the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra matches with earlier revealed images, with a tiny notch on the screen to house the selfie snapper. Only the Ultra model is expected to get the notch. The tablet is attached to a keyboard, which should be sold separately. Interestingly enough, the page is still live and the image hasn't been taken down as of writing this. That's everything we could gather from the image, but we're hoping to learn more details about the tablet going forward. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra specifications expected. According to the leaked specifications, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is said to sport a large 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display with 2960 x 1848p resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a notch cutout. Unsurprisingly, it will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, coupled with Adreno 730 GPU, up to 16GB RAM, and 512GB storage. The Samsung Galaxy S8 Ultra has a dual 12MP camera on the front for selfies. There is a 13MP primary camera on the back and a 6MP ultra-wide camera at the back. The tablet will be equipped with an under-display fingerprint sensor, 5G network support, Dolby Atmos quad speakers, and a large 11200 mAh battery. It will have S Pen support. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 price, launch date. Thank you for watching. Gadget Mafia official. Please like, comments and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye. Sell.